In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a sheet by changing the title block in Revit. To begin, open the sheet you want to resize. In the project browser, find your sheet under the Sheets category and double-click its name. That takes you directly into the sheet workspace so you can see the current border, title information, and any placed views. Next, select the title block on the sheet. The simplest way is to click the outer border or any part of the title block graphics until you see its properties appear. You'll know you've got the right element when the properties palette shows a title block family listed. If you're seeing properties for a viewport or other annotation, click off and try selecting the border again. With the title block selected, change the title block family in the properties palette. In the title block field, choose a different size from the drop-down, such as A0, A1, A2, A3, or A4. As soon as you make a selection, Revit updates the sheet size to match that standard. Your placed views don't change scale, they simply sit on a larger or smaller sheet, so take a moment to verify that view placements still look good and adjust their positions if necessary. If the size you want isn't listed, load a new title block. Click Load Family, browse to your Revit library, open the Title Blocks folder, and pick the size you need. After you load it, select the border again and choose the newly loaded title block from the same drop-down. This is a quick way to add standard sizes that aren't currently in your project. For situations where you need a unique or non-standard size, create a custom sheet size. Open a title block family in the family editor, adjust its width and height to the exact dimensions you require, and update any title information or graphics to suit your standards. Save it as a new family with a clear name so it's easy to identify later, then load it back into the project. Once it's loaded, select the existing border on your sheet and switch to your custom title block in the Properties palette. After resizing, review the sheet layout, title information, and any revision or project data to ensure everything still fits cleanly within the border. A quick visual pass now helps prevent issues when you're ready to print or publish, and that's all you need to resize a sheet by changing the title block in Revit. Simple, reliable, and fully customizable.